The fashion industry is a multi-billion-dollar business that touches the lives of people all over the world. It's a complex and ever-changing industry, and it's constantly evolving to meet the demands of consumers. The fashion design process begins with the designer's vision. The designer will often start by sketching out their ideas. Then they'll move on to draping fabric to create a prototype. Once the prototype is finished, the designer will work with the manufacturer to bring the garment to life. The design process can be long and challenging, but it's also a creative and rewarding experience. The designer must be able to stay ahead of the trends, while also creating clothes that are both stylish and wearable. The designer must also consider the environmental impact of their designs. They should use sustainable materials and practices whenever possible. The manufacturing process can vary depending on the garment and the country where it's made. In some cases, the entire garment is made in one factory. In other cases, the garment may be made in multiple factories, with each factory specializing in a different part of the process. The manufacturing process is often done in low-wage countries, where labor laws may not be as strict. This can lead to exploitation of workers, as well as environmental damage. There are a number of organizations working to improve the working conditions in the fashion industry. These organizations are working to raise awareness of the issue, and they are also working to put pressure on fashion brands to improve their practices. The marketing process is essential for getting clothes in front of consumers. Fashion brands use a variety of channels to market their products, including fashion magazines, billboards, online ads, and social media. The marketing process can be very expensive, and it's often difficult to reach the right target audience. However, it's essential for getting clothes sold. In recent years, there has been a shift towards more sustainable marketing practices. Fashion brands are now using social media to raise awareness of the environmental impact of the industry, and they are also working to reduce their own environmental footprint. The fashion industry is a big business, and it's constantly evolving. One of the biggest trends in recent years has been the rise of fast fashion. Fast fashion brands produce clothes quickly and cheaply, which has made it possible for consumers to buy new clothes more often. However, fast fashion has also been criticized for its environmental impact and its exploitation of workers. The fashion industry is facing a number of challenges, including the environmental impact of the industry and the exploitation of workers. However, there are also a number of innovative solutions that are being developed to make the fashion industry more sustainable and ethical. One of the most promising solutions is the circular economy. The circular economy is a system that aims to reduce waste and pollution by keeping products in use for as long as possible. This can be done by repairing, reusing, and recycling clothes. The future of fashion is uncertain, but there are a number of trends that are likely to shape the industry in the years to come. These include the rise of sustainable fashion, the growth of online shopping, and the increasing importance of social media. The fashion industry is a complex and ever-changing industry. However, there are a number of people who are working to make the industry more sustainable and ethical. The future of fashion is bright, and it's up to all of us to make sure that it's a sustainable future.